Hey yo, what's going on, traders, honest traders? Welcome to Trading HD. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Wow, we're watching SMCI Super Microcomputer. How are you doing? Let's talk about it. Let's do a recap of this last week. What happened? Very interesting price action during this last the end of June and the start of July. And let's see the movement that we analyzed in the past video. We talked about it. We ended in this moment, in this key moment where I asked you what do you think could happen. Do you think the breakout to the upper part would occur or to the lower side, taking into account all this price action that we talked about? Finally, what happened? The price started to go higher, creating this breakout, but it was kind of a false one, and it created this type of head and shoulders pattern. And once we saw that breakout, the price completely plummeted to the lower side. Wow, what an interesting move that we had right there. And from that moment, what occurred? The thing is, this level that was key in the past price action, let's see that we had multiple bounces, as you can see, during the last period in June and also a little bit in May, and from there it got a lot of strength. And wow, this time the breakout was for sure, it didn't leave any doubts, and then the retest also almost perfect right there. And from there the price started to continue growing and going higher. We are talking about a movement of more than $10 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, from $40 to almost 51, more than 24% in more or less 3 or 4 trading days. And that the strength was being accumulated maybe during this last price action that we talked in the previous video. Did you expect this movement to the upper part? Wow, because after this downtrend with the breakout of more than minus 11%, many people would have thought like this breakout wasn't strong enough. But once the price of the bulls entered into this territory of lower side around $40, wow, the strength has been very shown, has been completely shown right there. So let's see what happened after this uptrend. We had the trend line right here, the support line. Wow, once it got broken out, we also can draw like the upper part. Once it got broken out, you can clearly see like the price dropped, but not a lot. We had this movement to the lower side a little bit. From there, the movement to the upside, and then the retest. Perfect. Then we had the retest right there, creating this type of double top. And the interesting thing with this double top is like it got broken out in the lower side, but this breakout was false, at least from what we can see right now, because the price has stayed between these levels, this double top and this breaking point at the lower part. So right now it's a very interesting moment in which the market is maybe trying to decide which direction to take. Will it retest again these lower levels? What is your opinion about it? Or do you think like these have been already retested and the price will continue to go higher? What is your view at this key point from SMCI? Very interesting. I want the answer to that question. If you have it in the comments below, and if not, please share all the feedback and all the knowledge that you want. Then if we go to the daily time frame, we have a lot of pictures right here, but we can see like the price has been approaching or is trying to approach this level right here, this kind of resistance level that was being traded in March 2024, in July 2024, 1 year ago, and then once again in February of this year. So the price is trying to hit that level. We will see if it breaks that one or if it continues to go lower or if it doesn't even reach that one. Another question for you: what do you think could happen once the price reaches that key level? Or maybe you don't see that as a key level? Let us know also in the comments below your opinion about the price action in this daily time frame for SMCI. And if we go to the weekly time frame, we can clearly see the uptrend of this stock with the movements to the lower side. Very interesting. 2018, wow, what a drop right there in the price. From there, this insane movement to the upside, wow, look at that. And then this last movement that we have been talking about, and maybe you have been trading them, let us know in the comments below, during the last 2 years. Very interesting. We are just talking about all the past price action that occurred. We don't know what is going to happen in the future, of course, but we want to ask you your opinion about it. Which direction do you think SMCI could take? Do you think this has been the highest point that the stock can reach, and it will visit lower levels, or do you think like it has to break those levels? Let's see the Wall Street forecast in order to see the Wall Street analyst's opinion, and let's close the video with that because I think it's interesting to see which is the forecast, if they have updated it or not. Wow, very interesting. We have 13 analysts. The average is around this point. It would be drop around 15%, reach that average price, $41. Then the maximum, $70, 44% to the upside, and the minimum, $15, minus 69%. Very interesting. The price is around that average analyst price forecast or price target. What is your opinion about it, and what is your opinion about all the price action right here? And also from the fundamental side, if you want to share something else, please let us know in the comments below. Welcome to Trading HD, honest traders. Check this video right here, trading affirmations, and let's go. Have a nice weekend. We love you. Take care.